Mayor Neighbors, Vice Mayor Evans, City Council, my name is Robert Newstad. I live at 3960 North Arosa Way. And I am in favor of development, a sustainable, well thought out, well planned development. But to put a large student housing project in a place where you must displace many families, low-income families who have nowhere else to go, is not sustainable development. That is abusive development. That is not the Flagstaff we want to be. As City Council, we need to look as a city at how to help that community, how to sustain that community. We've heard presentation talking about the number of beds and the relocation package and the capacity of the streets, but very little about the human beings that are living there. That is a community of people who have lived there for years. Fathers, mothers, children, grandparents who have nowhere else to go. So I urge you to think about what it would be like for you if you woke up one morning and were told you are going to have to leave where you have lived and you have no idea where you're going to go, and we're going to give you a little relocation package that is not anywhere near sufficient for you to move if you wanted to move. I think we need to vote no for this proposal.
Well, Mr. Newstad, let me ask you a question, because this keeps coming up. Do you think that the city has the ability to keep the trailer park from being terminated if the owner so chooses?
I'm not an expert in those issues, but I would urge the city to look for ways to keep the trailer park if the owner moves to sell it. And I do know that, for example, in Palo Alto, California right now, the last remaining low-income trailer park is in a similar situation right now, and there are movements to try to save that trailer park with a combination of city funds and local people raising money to try to buy the trailer park to save those residents. So I would just urge you to look for solutions. I don't have them, but I think if you can understand a problem, you can solve a problem.
Okay. All right. Jesse Dominguez and do you have Robert Gonzalez and Laura Meyer also with
I
you,
do.
Jesse? Okay.
I do.
Sir, if I may interrupt, we have a child here that's scheduled to come back tomorrow. I would just like to request that she be given priority before the end of today, if at all possible.
Okay, what's the name?
¿Cómo se llama? Lisbeth. Lisbeth.
Okay, I'll look for that. Okay. All right.